Quick adjustment for ultrasound sensor SNU only requires 2 pulsations of the adjustment button. For the configuration of the sensor, we will use a flat surface. The first press corresponds to the adjustment of the value 20 mA. When doing it, the green LED will stay on and the 2 oranges will flash slowly. Then it is carried out the second press to set value for milliampere. The 2 orange LEDs will flash quickly for 2 seconds and the green LED will turn on. If you want the 20 mA set the minimum, you must give the first press when the sensor detects the furthest distance, and the second press when the sensor detects the closest distance to set for milliamperes maximum. If you want the 20 mA set the maximum, you must give the first press when the sensor detects the closest distance, and the second press when the sensor detects the farthest distance to set for milliamperes minimum. As an alternative method, can use a wall to configure the sensor following the same procedure.